Today we're going to be doing pebble art. So for this you will need some paints, a brush, some glue, pebbles obviously, and a piece of paper. Let's get started. I already painted my background using these paints and I already have my design ready here. So yeah, let's begin. Let me take my glue and open it up. Opened. Next, let me just put it aside for now and start. I think I'm going to put it like right here. I think this spot is good. Okay, next I'm going to be putting this rock about here. Some glue and let me stick it on about here. I'm going to be taking the body now. I'm going to be putting on like this. Perfect. And then let me take the head and glue it on like this. Yay, perfect. Oh, almost done. I just need a quick arm. There, perfect. I'm going to be putting it like this. Then I'm going to be putting this like t-shirt sort of thingy. Then putting it like this. Next, I'm going to take her head, and this is a good spot. Put it on. Then I'm going to take her legs. This is a pretty rock. And I'm going to put it on like this. Yay, we got one whole thing done. Now, I think I'm going to put this one right there. Let me put this right here. Put this one here. Oops. There we go. This like arm part of its arm. Oops. Gravity. Then I'll take the head and put it on. There we go. Next I'm going to be taking the other part of its arm, just putting it like this. Then I'm going to be taking the leg of this little baby a little bit below where I think I want the thing. Putting it right here. Perfect. And then I'm going to be putting the head. And there we go. This is it. Just wait for this to dry and then we can like put it somewhere. I hope you guys liked this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching again. Bye!